Replay Guitar Exchange is the premier guitar shop in Tampa. We have the best selection with over 1,000 instruments in stock. We probably have the best selection in Florida. I think Replay Guitar Exchange is unique because we have an experienced staff with decades in the industry that can give good advice, on product selection. We have a repairman that can adjust or fix any kind of guitar problems that you may have. We offer lessons. We have 4 lesson suites. Each one is equipped with a Mac computer and a recording interface, so the instructor and the student can record their session if they want. The student can bring it home or watch it online. So it's a state-of-the-art facility, and the lesson program has been growing ever since we opened a few years ago, and I expect it to be full before too long. One of the cool things about the store is that we have a stage built into the front. It's somewhat modular, so we can move parts of the stage out and make it a little bigger, and we'll frequently have artists visit the store and give clinics or product demos, and they're free to the public. They're a lot of fun. That's one of the things that I personally have enjoyed quite a bit about owning Replay Guitar Exchange, is meeting some of the artists that come through. Whether it's George Lynch or Chris Broderick, David Ellefson, Tosin Abasi. It's just a lot of cool and outstanding guitar players come through here. In addition, we have a dedicated bass room in the store, which is soundproof, so we can close the sound door and the guys can really turn up the volume a little bit and see how the gear sounds, see how the amps sound. We have a great selection of basses that you won't find anywhere in the Tampa Bay area. You'll probably have to drive a couple hours, to find another decent bass room in Florida. It's great to operate a business here in Tampa. I started it in 2015, and it was pretty straightforward to get it going. We're right in the heart of South Tampa, and so I think it's all the businesses that surround us are great. It kind of draws people into the shopping center for other reasons. A lot of times we'll get some guys coming in here to check out guitars while their wife is shopping for clothes next door or something, so it works out nicely. We really just want to focus on our main South Tampa flagship store here and just continue to improve it and make it the best that it can be. I think we're starting to get a reputation around Central Florida. People are driving here from Jacksonville, Orlando, and different areas to see our impressive selection of guitars. So we have everything for the guitarists in Tampa Bay.